Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you 5 best lipstick shades which can be used this party coming season, and it will be really very vibrant and very nice colors which will really give you a pop on your face, and it will really look very good on your skin also. It will make your skin very glowy. So these are the 5 lipstick shades which I want to show you. So guys, let's get started with the video guys. Okay guys, the first shade which I want to show you is from My Glam. You can see this is how the packaging looks like. The My Glam was right now on offer, so you can buy there. Their lipsticks are really very good. I will show you. This is the lipstick I'm talking about. This is from My Glam liquid matte lipsticks. So it's written, it's long lasting, smudge proof and transfer proof with intense color payoff, a super matte finish and enriched with nourishing oil. It's a liquid lipstick that works harder than you, and it's really very true. So I will show you which shade I have ordered. This is the other shade, Catfish 03. You can see it's written over here, Catfish 03. So this is how the shade looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is also really very good. I love the packaging. You can see the color is really very good, and if you are someone with medium skin tone or fair skin tone, this will really look very good. I will just do a swatch also on my hand and on my lips so that it would be easy to see the color, how it looks on the skin. So this is the color Catfish, and their texture is really very good. So you can just give it a try. You can see it has a wand with this. You can see the wand. So the wand is really very easy to use, and I will show you the color. You can see the color. This is the Catfish color I'm talking about. It's really very nice when you wear your Indian outfits and wherever you're going, the color really pops out. I will just show it on my lips also. Just show you can see. So this is how it looks on my lips. You can see. Moving ahead, next shade which I want to show you is from Smashbox. This is the shade Boss. You can see this is Smashbox lipstick. If you love red colors, it is very nice color, and whenever I'm applying this, my skin literally glows. You can see I've applied this Catfish also, and the skin is literally glowing. It really looks very good when you're applying this. The Smashbox always on liquid lipstick, and the shade is Boss, and it's really very good shade. I will just do a swatch on my hand. The lasting power is also very good, and the formulation is also very good. So this is the shade. You can see this party season you should rock with your lipsticks. So you can see this is the shade. It's highly pigmented, and it's really pay off when you're applied on your lips. You can see this has also become dry, and it's not really very sticky. It's very good. So this is the second shade I have showed you, Boss, and this is the shade it looks on my hand. I'll just apply it on my lips and show you how it looks. So guys, you can see this is how Boss looks on my face. You can see this is the shade. It's a nice reddish orangish color, and I really love it. I really prefer this shade whenever I'm making videos also. You can see I've applied this in so many videos because I really love it, and the shade is really very nice. You can see you can just try your hands on this lipstick. So moving ahead, I will show you the third shade. Don't worry, I have nude shades also to show today. So I will show you one nude shade also today. So the next lipstick which I want to show you is again from Smashbox. This is Smashbox always on liquid lipstick. The shade is Gulabe. So this is really very favorite shades. Whoever loves nude, this is the shade for you. It's really very nice shade, and really looks very good if you have done smoky eyes, or you have done very heavy eye makeup look and you don't want to wear a dark lipstick, then this is the shade for that. So this is really very nice shade. I will just show you how it looks on the hand swatch. So this is the hand swatch for the shade Gulabe. You can see. Okay guys, so this is the shade Gulabe. Okay guys, this will really suit all Indian skin tone because the shade is pinkish nude. You can see the shade, it's not properly nude, it's pinkish nude, so this will not really wash off the look you are wearing. Moving ahead, the next shade which I want to show you is from Nykaa. You can see this is their mini version. I have shown this before also, but I love this for party wears, so I have shown you again. This is their shade name Boho 16, and it's really very nice shade. If you like something in this, I will show you. Okay guys, so this is the shade. You can see, I hope you can catch the color on the camera. This is the shade and it's really very nice. And last, and the next shade which I want to show you is again from My Glam. This is their shade. This is the shade 14 DTR. I will show you. This is how it looks. You can see the color. So this is also really very nice shade. It's something I will just show you on my hand. You can see this is the shade and it really looks very nice. Okay guys, so this is DTR 14 liquid My Glam shade. You can see. Using this 5 shades, you can completely rock any party, and the shades all the 5 shades which I have shown you are really very long lasting. They will stay up to 5 to 6 hours. From my side, it's a yay for all the 5 shades which I have shown you. And if you want more shades, I have done more videos, so you can I will just leave the link below in the description box, so you can go and check it out for the shades. So these are the shades I have shown you today. You can see. So this is the Boho, this is Boss, this is a Catfish, this is, I think, what was that? Gulabe, and this is the last shade which I have shown you, 14 DTR. These are the 5 shades I have shown you and are really very good. So I hope guys you like this video and you like the swatches. And if you want me to do more such video, please let me know in the comment section below. Please like this video, please share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, take care. Hope this video was useful for you. Do come here for more such videos. Bye guys.